Hello YouTube friends, this is Max. Another awesome riding day today, so for lunch I'm going to go down to JC's Burger House in North Plano. This place has got some really good reviews, it's dirt cheap, and service takes a little bit to get going, but once your dish arrives it's awesome. They've got really good reviews on Yelp, and it's inexpensive fast food burgers, but they are very friendly and it's inexpensive, and they've got some awesome burgers. Let's take a look inside what the establishment looks like here. Wasn't very busy today, which is good because even when it's not that busy, you still have a little bit of a wait. But the wait is absolutely worth it because when your food arrives, first of all, it's very cheap, and second of all, the food is outstanding. I mean, for $6 and change, you can get a burger, which is really outstanding. Their onion rings, their sweet potato fries, their hand-cut fries, everything is just outstanding. And the menu is just really good. So I ordered my favorite, which is a veggie burger that I like to have done in a Texas patty melt style. And these guys make the absolute best veggie burger, which is kind of ironic given that it's not a vegetarian kind of place. But why am I eating a veggie burger, you might ask? Well, my friends, that'll be the subject of another video. But for today, you can see that the veggie burger that they make is absolutely outstanding. Guys, if you want to try a veggie burger, this is the place you want to try it. On my commute home, I saw this BMW K1600, and at first I thought it was a scooter, no joking here, but turns out it's a BMW K1600 touring bike, and off he goes into the sunset. When I get a chance to demo one of those bikes, I'll make a vlog about it.